Mashed potato and eggplant. Classic Chinese homestead dish. Grab two potatoes and peel them completely. Eggplant peeling is optional. You can leave the skin on if you prefer. Steam both for 20 minutes after steaming starts. The prep. Cut thick onions into strips. Press firmly to break fibers and release more aroma. Chives work too. Spread strips on both bottom. Test with choppers this. Easy pork is fully cooked. Transfer veggies to bowl. Cover to infuse onion flavor. Make egg soybean sauce. Scramble eggs. Set aside. Cook soybean paste on low heat until fragrant. High heat burns paste. Add eggs back and a little soy sauce. Toast to coat all pieces with sauce. Pour sauce over veggies. Tiny piece of MSG optional. Mix thoroughly. Creamy savory shape. Great with rice.